Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video section on your Elementor website, which will play the video when you scroll down or scroll up. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the demo Elementor website. And if I scroll down, you will see this video is sticky at the top and it is playing when I scroll down. And after that, you will see the next section is coming up where we have some content. You can also see that this same video is playing in the background for this section. And if I scroll up, you will see the video is still playing in opposite direction. So I'm going to show you how you can add this video on your Elementor website, which will play when you scroll down or scroll up. And I'm not going to use any plugin. So let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo website created using Elementor. And this is the page where I want to add a video which will play while scrolling down or scrolling up. Let me show you the page. This is how the page looks. At the top, we have the menu section, and below that, we have some information about the business. And just below this menu section, I want to add a video section. So let's go to edit with Elementor. This is the section about which I'm going to add a video. So let's click on plus sign and click on add new section. It is going to be a single column section. In the left hand panel, you will see the content width. I'm going to set it to full width. Let's go to advanced and change the padding to 0 and margin to 0. Let's go back to layout, and for the minimum height, change the px to vh and set it to 500. So it is going to be 500 vh. Now we are going to add a video here. So click on plus sign, drag and drop the video section here. For the source, we are going to select self-hosted. And here we are going to upload a video. Now I do have a video that I'm going to upload. Before that, we will need to change the settings of the video. We need to add a video with 30 FPS settings. Here I have a sample video. If I play it, you will see the video. This is the video that I'm going to add. This is 8 seconds video. I'm going to change the frame rate of this video to 30 FPS. And for that, I'm going to use a free tool, Video to Edit. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use this tool to change the frame rate. So I'm going to click on choose a file and select the video. And if you scroll down, you will see frame rate here. I'm going to set it to 30 FPS. And the video file should be in MP4 format. So you will see an option here. It should be on MP4. So there will be two settings, MP4 and 30 FPS. Then click on start. Right, so the video is ready. Click on download. I'm going to need to change the name of this video. Let's name it as banner video and click on save. All right, now let's go back to website, and here click on choose video file, click on upload, browse the new video, that is banner video, click on select. All right, so you will see the video is there. You still see the controls of the video. If I click on it, it is going to play the video, but we do not need these controls. So in the left hand panel, you will see the settings, player controls. Let's turn it off. Now there is no video control showing on the video itself. Now we will need to add one HTML code so that it will play the video when you scroll down. So click on plus sign again and look for HTML widget. Drag it and drop it just below the video. And I'm going to add one HTML code here. And this is the code that I'm going to add. This is not my code. All credit goes to Nikolai's Template Club. You will find this code on this website. I'll give you the link in the description box. On Nikolai's Template Club, you will see many different codes that you can use to animate your website. He is kind of master in GSAP animation. So basically, we are using GSAP animation. So here you will see an option to copy the code. So let's click on copy. Let's go back to website and paste the code here under HTML code. Now let's click on publish and let's see how does this look. Click on view page. And this is how the page will look. If I scroll down, now you can see that it is scrolling down. We need to make this section sticky. So let's go back and select this section here. Go to advanced tab, then go to motion effects. Here you will see option sticky. Let's change it to sticky at top. All right, so this section will be sticky at the top. Click on publish again. Let's go back and refresh it. Now if I scroll down, you will see the section is sticky at the top and when I scroll down, the video is playing. Now when I scroll down, you will see that the other content is not coming up because it is going behind this video. So we need to make changes. Let's go back again, go to advanced, go to layout, and for the Z index, set it to 0. Right, click on publish. Let's go back, refresh it. Now let's scroll down. And now you will see the content is coming up over the video. Now this one working properly. You will see that this video is playing behind this section also. The same video is playing behind the section. All right, let's see how does this work. Let's go back. Let's go to the next section that we have here. If I go to this section and if I go to style settings, you will see that the background color of this section is set to white. However, the opacity is slightly decreased. If I change the opacity to 100 and publish it, you will not see the video in the background. Go back, refresh it, scroll down. Now you will see that the video is not coming up in a background. If you want that video to show in the background also, you can change the opacity of this section. Let's go back. Let me change the opacity. Currently it is set to white color with 100 opacity. I'm going to change it to, let's say, slightly change it, publish it, go back, refresh it. Now you will see the background video is there. Here you will see the background video. Now if you want to add some text on this video, you can do that also. However, when you scroll down, that text will also scroll down. Let me show you how does this work. Let's go back. Let's go to this section. Click on plus sign. Let's say I want to add heading. So let's drag it and drop it here. And go to style settings, center align it. Change the text color to, let's say, white. And I'm going to change the background color for this text to a yellow. So you will see it here. Let's add a padding here, 20 pixel. And I'm going to change the margin for this text. Let's change it to minus 120 pixels so that video will come behind this text. So we need to change the Z index also. Let's make it 1 so that it will overlap the video. And for the text, let's say roofing business, I'm going to add stroke also. Change the background color, that does not look good. All right, so this is how it will look. All right, and let's click on publish. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the heading on the video. Now if I scroll down, the heading will stay there like this. However, you will see that the heading is also the part of the background for this section. You will see it here. So whatever you have in that section will remain as it is as a background. And if I scroll up, you will see that the video is playing in opposite direction. So it is very easy to add a video section on your Elementor website, which will play the video when you scroll down or up. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.